Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crab with cardboard. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some sturdy corrugated cardboard, a good pair of scissors or a craft knife, and strong adhesive like hot glue or craft glue. Don't forget a pencil for sketching and an eraser for mistakes. We'll also want some vibrant acrylic paints in shades of red, orange, or even a sandy brown to bring our crustacean to life. Having everything ready makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's start shaping our crab's body. Begin by drawing a large oval on your cardboard, about 8 inches wide and 6 inches tall for the main shell. Next, sketch 2 smaller identical ovals, each about 3 inches long for the claws. For the legs, draw 8 thin, curved strips, each roughly 4 inches long and 1/2 inch wide. Carefully cut out all these pieces using your craft knife or scissors, ensuring clean lines for a professional finish. This precision helps the final assembly. With all your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Take your 8 leg strips and glue them to the underside of the large oval body, 4 on each side, evenly spaced. Next, attach the 2 claw pieces to the front sides of the body, positioning them to look like pincers. Use a generous amount of strong craft glue or hot glue for secure bonds. Hold each piece in place for about 10 to 15 seconds after applying glue. Allow at least 30 minutes for all the glued sections to dry completely before moving on. Finally, let's bring our cardboard crab to life with some color and detail. Start by painting the entire crab with a vibrant base coat of red, orange, or even a deep brown. Once dry, use a smaller brush to add details like 2 small black eyes on stalks and perhaps some textured patterns on the shell. You can even add a touch of white for highlights. For a lasting finish, consider applying a clear craft sealant. This protects your creation and gives it a lovely, professional sheen. Your unique cardboard crab is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.